The storm hit just after midnight, a furious howl of wind and rain. From my window, I saw them huddled under the awning across the street, a shivering dog and two drenched cats. I couldn't just leave them. I grabbed some towels and a can of tuna, then dashed outside. They were skittish, but followed me back into the warmth of my house. As I dried them off, the power flickered and died. A flash of lightning lit up the room, and for a second I saw their shadows on the wall. But there weren't 3 shadows. There were 4. The fourth was a tall, slender man standing right behind me.